Do you have nipple piercings? Hello, my beautiful skulls. Yeah, it's me, Kika. And I look like shit. I needed to move my studio again. Had some small surgery. I got some medicines. A few days ago, I started to feel so bad. Couldn't breathe. I had some awful pressure in my ears, you know. My muscles hurted me so much, and I could just lay down in my bed. And I called my friends and my mom. All of them, they thought I have a coronavirus. I mean, what? So I was thinking, no. That cannot happen to me. Or maybe it can. I don't want to think about it. So I prepared to go to hospital, and I was so scared. My mom asked me, have you read what it says about that medicine you took for 2 weeks? And I said, no, I haven't. And I took a paper, I read everything, and everything happened to me because of that medicine I took after my surgery. I don't have corona, and I'm so happy. So here I am today recording this Q&A video with you. While I am answering on your questions, I will do my makeup, and today makeup will be orange. Okay, first question is, what is your hidden talent? I don't know. It's hidden. But hidden talent, I think it's photography. My eyebrows I will do off camera because they're not listening to me. Let's see what is the next question. Is there any Jack to drink? Okay, I know this guy. He's my very, very good friend, and I'm not alcoholic, you know, but I sometimes I love to drink Jack and cola in the evening, and sometimes in bar, and I love Jack. Yes, I have a Jack to drink. I am not alcoholic. Is body painting your full-time job? Well, no. I mean, except body painting, I do, you know, a lot of things beside that. I sell videos, my body painting videos. I do makeup. I do music videos with my boyfriend. I have my school of makeup. There's a lot of things beside body painting. Here in Serbia, if you do just body painting, you can't live. What kind of studies have you done and where? Love ya. Love you, honey. I always wanted to go to artistic school, but it was very expensive and my parents couldn't afford that. So after high school, I made break to think about everything and to work to earn money. And 2 years later, I went to sport academy to be a volleyball coach. I loved it. I still love, but I knew that wasn't me, you know. So nothing about that. Now here I am. What sport has with this? Have you ever been scared one of your own makeups, and which one? And no, I haven't. I mean, how? No. When I do some scary makeup and scary mask, I always go to scare my neighbors or friends and my boyfriend. I don't expect anyone. They say for Pilouis base, tap, 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 tap. And I'm tapping, 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 tapping. And it hurts, hurts, hurts. What inspires you? Also, have you ever been to Slovakia? No, I haven't been, but I would love to come. I think the biggest source of my inspiration is music, you know? When I listen some spooky music, I want to do some scary things. And when I listen some romantic music, I am, you know, in some fairy mood or beauty makeup look. You know, definitely it's music. I think all people are inspired by music, right? Did anyone say it's all waste your time? I can't feed you. When you started early days. Well, honey, everybody said that. This is a nice orange, Norina. Good. I think I start in 2015. Yeah. That was the year when I decided to make a lot of mistakes in my life, but it was worth it. Who inspires me? Lately, there is one guy who inspires me, and he's so funny and crazy, and he's so smart. He's a Serbian. His name is Petar Vasic, and I like him so much. And he's so cute. What came first, the chicken or the egg? Okay, I'm stupid. It came first. Egg in a chicken? Applause for the question. How you handle motherhood and everything you do? I don't handle at all. I'm handling, but I don't know how. God, you don't know how it's difficult to be a mother, to do everything in a house and still do makeup and YouTube and post pictures and it's exhausted, you know? And when someone tells me, oh, you should post more often, you're losing your followers, you need to do everything much better and more. What the fuck? Are you kidding me? I don't know where is my head, okay? Okay, I need to calm down. I'm fine. I can handle motherhood and everything I do very well. Ah! 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 How can I handle? Which paint is better if you want to paint the whole body or face? Mine is not good. Okay, honey, I don't know which one you have, but if you want to paint a whole body for some shooting, I suggest that you need to use maroon or crayon body paint. But if you want to paint whole body for some event when that model needs to walk to take a picture with a lot of people and a lot of people will touch that model, I suggest chameleon, tag and diamond effects. Yes, definitely. How do you get the paint so black that it blends it in with the background? Well, it's not always about paint, you know. You need to use matte black, night black paint, and in some areas on your body we have reflections, so sometimes you need to use a black eyeshadow to make it matte. And when you do illusions with that black body paint, you need to make a bigger distance between background, yourself, and the light in front of you. Think about that. I have a lot of questions with "don't say my name." I don't know what is going on. Okay, I will not say your name. Do you have nipple piercings? It hurts when I'm just think about it. No, I don't, and I will not have. Never. Finally, someone has a courage to ask me this question. Did you have face lifting surgery? Please don't show my name. Of course. Again, don't show my name. A surgery. Let's be honest. I didn't have any face lifting surgery, but I did some kind of face surgery. When I was a teenager, I had big fat eye bags, and I can't explain to you how much that affects my teenage girls' days, you know? Every girl was pretty and look young, but me, with those big eye bags, I looked like 20 years older than my friends, you know? When I started getting older and older, my eye bags were starting to grow and be bigger and bigger, and I started to hate myself. And every time I needed to record something, I was paying more attention about my eye bags and an angle of recording than something I need to say or to paint or to draw, you know? One day I said to myself, enough. I don't want to hate myself when I wake up in the morning, you know? In the morning, in the evening, in the afternoon. I decided to see how can I take off my eye bags. I got some contact, and when I heard that my doctor needs to cut my skin and pull out that meat, I don't know what is that, I was so scared. I went. Whole operation lasts 45 minutes, and honestly, I didn't feel anything. The best thing is, when she finished surgery, I stood up and I saw myself in a mirror. Oh my God. In 45 minutes, my life changed. I didn't have eye bags anymore. I started to cry. After 3 months, no one couldn't see my scars. A lot of people want to ask me that, and few girls called me, and they were like, oh, I'm so sorry if I ask you this, but did you make a facelifting surgery? Okay, guys, I did eye bag surgery, and it's nothing shame to ask, okay? And if you want to do eye bag surgery, there is nothing wrong with that, okay? Just stop have that opinion. If you have problem like I did, believe me, don't waste your time. Love yourself and go take off those big, awful eye bags. There is no makeup that can cover your eye bags. No, believe me. I think eye bag surgery is the best decision I made in my life. I mean, look at me. How are you doing with corona situation? I'm doing fine. No, you don't. I'm fine. No, you don't. What is the first thing you're going to do after quarantine? Get drunk, of course. Yeah, I know. I will buy airplane ticket for USA. When you're going to LA, waiting for souvenir. Don't ask me about LA. Just to come there, don't worry about souvenirs. How old are you? When I was a teenager and someone said, oh, that guy has 38, 39 or 40, I was like, oh my god, he's so old. And then now I am 38, you know, and I don't feel like I'm almost 40. How did you get the idea to make these videos? Well, to be honest, it wasn't my idea. It was idea of my boyfriend. If someone told me 4 years ago that I will do makeup on myself, I would say, no way. Looks awesome. I'm totally orange. I hate this. No! And here I am, fresh orange blondie, ready to have a dinner with herself, by herself, totally alone in her apartment. Don't forget to subscribe and to click that small little bell for notifications. See you soon. Bye!